Can I get So I just got off the phone with my bank, so maybe when it started, so after it goes through, because some other issues. Well, can I try it's supposed to work, the mac and fire?
Yeah.
And can you add garlic to that?
Yeah. Anything else?
No, that's it.
All right, bet. It's going to be $7.50 then.
Are you heading out here?
Yep.
Okay.
Earlier than
Oh, you're riding a bike?
I live
A little lower, like right there. Yeah.
That's your bike?
Hey, are we gonna talk shit about
Go
it?
ahead and hit a button for
Of
me.
course not.
I like the handles.
I can never talk shit about someone saving the environment.
Honestly, right? We have a rewards program. If you would like to join it, it's you get $5 off at 50 points.
Oh, man.
Next time.
I was like, maybe I could slide away from it. Thank you.
Sweet. Yeah, have a good one, bro.
I went through though.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. Yeah, you're good.
Fuck it.
Man, I have to pee.
Cheese or tacos?
Bro, I'm always a taco guy.
You know what I'm talking about, bitch.
We are out of chicken though, just to warn you.
No tacos.
Okay, so Mac.
Let's go with Chipotle. Can you add bacon?
Yep.
And bacon.
We actually can't add any of the pepperoni because it's only in the pizza. Like we don't have any pepperoni on the side.
The pizza mix is integrated already.
Okay.
But like we can add the pizza mix if you would like.
No, that's not.
Okay.
Well, I don't know. Maybe. No,
Like
I'm
Chipotle.
good.
Yeah,
Oh, it's already pre-mixed.
yeah, it's like it has the
It's already
mushroom,
cooked.
sausage, all that
Okay,
shit.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. Anything else?
Oh, what is good?
Got a dessert burrito. You can add pork to it. But that's about it. Barbecue sauce,
Can you add like some cheese on top?
like some shredded cheese.
Real cheese? Yeah.
Yeah, I could do that.
Yeah. Let's do that.
I like that. You're out here experimenting, like trying some new. Yeah.
Can't just do the norm.
Exactly. You gotta mix it up. $9.76 then. $9.75 if it's cash.
Oh, I save a penny on cash?
Yeah, we don't do.
You
We
got no
don't-
pennies, huh?
Yeah, we just do
Most
quarters.
people are eliminating.
52, 55,
I got a penny in my
56.
change the other day. It was a 1909 BDB.
5, yes, sir. You have your seat?
1909 BDB penny, and it was it's pretty close to mint condition, but the last one sold it I think for.
What's the order? I've been yelling it out.
Anything like World War One, like Pennywise, like that's worth something.
9, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I mean,
Sick
but
right there, yeah.
I mean, I have a bunch that are like they're like 1800s and shit.
Oh
but,
hell yeah, because those are
but,
worth shit too.
but the 1909.
Yeah, you too, man. Hey, Don, do you know what that
Vincent
Jared-
David Brenner was the guy that invented the. He's the guy that made the picture that we look at today.
Okay, the Lincoln? Yeah.
The Lincoln. So he, in the first 1904 of his 1909 coins, when he created that, he put his initials on the back of it, right in the middle between the two grains of wheat.
I gotcha.
Right
Yeah.
on the bottom it says BDB. 1904 of them got out into circulation before they removed them. The Treasury Department or whatever said, no, you can't.
Stop doing
You
that.
can't do that.
Yeah.
It stands out too much. We don't want your initials on it. So I got one.
One of those.
One of
That's
those
sweet.
1904.
Okay, that makes more sense than why it's like worth so much. That's pretty cool. Yeah.
Hey, Jer.
Yeah. What were you saying, bro?
Do you remember who ordered the vegan burrito?
Yeah.
Or no, the veggie, sorry.
I
I got the vegan out.
You had the veggie, right?
The girl?
It's right here. Yeah.
Okay, she's been like...
He's gonna hand it out.
Yeah, it's her. No, it's not a 5 cheese.
Oh, sorry. Never mind. I lied. He's handing it out right here.
God damn it.
Sorry.
You said you asked me for it.
I know. Well, she was standing here. I have it right here for you. I don't know her name. I lied. I have it right here.
I was like...
Well, we thought you got
What is that?
veggie burrito,
Okay.
right?
That's number 52.
Wait.
And that's the only one that's not accounted for.
Yeah, it's her. Like she ordered it.
Okay,
Like, you
General
asked
Hospital.
for the veggie burrito. Do you not remember ordering the veggie?
I'm not laughing at you.
I'm laughing with you.
Well, we're laughing.
We're laughing
Each other.
at you. Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Do you not want that? I don't know what she ordered.
That's
Here,
why I just switched to something else.
here, come here. We can work this out.
No,
We can
I don't
figure it
wanna do
out.
that.
If you didn't want the veggie burrito, we could probably figure something out.
I've been hanging out here with these pieces of shit.
I'm just confused why you said yes when I asked you.
Because I
veggie
was
burrito.
literally just hanging out.
Okay.
I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh.
Do you want like a mac?
Yeah, I'm super
Not
excited
at
to
this
know
point, no,
Washington.
sir.
Okay, all right. I thought we
Hold
could
on, you
make
coming
something
down
work,
this
but if
weekend?
not-
Next weekend?
Probably
Come down
not.
soon,
Okay.
though, right?
Okay.
I remember.
Okay. I didn't make her cry. Her friends made her cry.
All right, I got a 57,
So that's
58,
funny.
59.
Well, I think Beyonce said
How's it
big
going?
girls do
I don't
cry.
know. I mean, I'm not
Yeah,
crying,
thanks.
So.
I've been working on a lot. Yeah, you have a good night,
I
Jacob.
don't see the correlation there.
See, you don't even know my name.
I'm
You
hanging
thought I
out.
didn't know.
You
You thought I
guys
didn't
are
know
driving
you.
fun.
Do you see any?
Of course.
I like the headband.
Yeah, of course. I
for
don't
you.
like being insulted. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Did he give you his Mac? Or is that your Mac? Where'd you get
It's
this
Caleb.
Mac?
Yeah.
That's not mine.
It was in your hand. You brought it here. This is
I
right
brought it
here.
here with these people
Right.
behind us.
Yeah, fuck the stream. Fuck the stream. I agree.
We're trying to make.
on to your fork.
Thanks. I'll do.
Yeah, honestly, on God,
Yes,
fuck
I
the
do.
turtles, dude. Why are they
It's all
eating
good,
the
it's all good.
straws?
All right, you have a good night, Jacob.
Because, like, my first
59?
reaction when I see straws is to eat them, right?
59.
same mind as a fucking.
There's fucking millions of other
I thought he was
species, and none of
58.
them have problems with
Yeah, he was-
straws.
I think he
this
was
is like
58.
an evolution thing. It's like,
You're saying the sea turtles should just die already?
well, I'm saying
Yeah,
the
he-
sea
yeah, he
turtles
got
who
it.
are smart enough
Hey,
not to eat the
Jared.
straws are the ones who should keep going on.
Who got the mac and fire with
No,
garlic?
we keep a lot of people alive.
This man.
That probably should.
Mac fire garlic?
Yeah, thanks so
Yeah,
much.
yeah, huh? All right, I need someone to move this Mac. I don't want to touch someone's food.
I
Sorry,
didn't
yeah.
know she left that.
She doesn't know who's it is. She's very lost.
No, it's fine.
I know, but she's very lost.
Because she said she wanted. You
She's
said
done.
You wanted it, so I gave it to you.
I'm done with ice. You so mean, Jer. How am I mean? It's a damn turtle. Okay. Okay. That doesn't change shit.
Chipotle mac.
I'll say this. I said the same thing about turtles. One of my biggest things is when they're hatching and people will guard the turtles crawling to the ocean and help them get in. Like that
Defeats the purpose.
defeats the whole purpose. Like we can't keep putting them weak ass genes into the pool of turtles. We keep saving all these turtles dumb enough to eat straws. We're gonna keep having turtles dumb enough to eat straws. You know? Like we don't get rid of the issue, it's the issue's gonna keep coming. Because not all turtles eat straws. I'm spitting. I'm getting aggravated, you guys. I'm sorry. Alright, chat.
Turtles ain't supposed to be eating straws. I'll say it again.
Should we do a sales guest? Just no dessert burrito just for funsie? Because we have 8 minutes before we gotta skedaddle, chat.